Hi guys, today we're going to look at an old paper for WTW 158. I'm going to discuss the memo, so hopefully you've worked through these problems already, so you can just follow along. For question 1, they say solve for x, where the absolute value of x squared plus 1 is greater or equal to 2. So in this case, you're going to use your theorems, which state that the absolute value of x is greater than a, therefore x must be greater than a, or x must be smaller than minus a. So for this one, we will say x squared plus 1 must be greater or equal to 2, or x squared plus 1 must be smaller than or equal to minus 2. Okay, so then we solve for x squared. So x squared is greater or equal to 1, or x squared is smaller or equal to minus 3. Now, to solve for the intercepts, we will draw a graph. Always draw a graph when you have the quadratic functions. So for the first one, we want the intercepts where above that x squared is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so here. Now at this point and this point, these are our points of interest. So we know that here and here, x squared is greater or equal to 1. So now to get those intercepts, you sub into x squared. So where y is 1, x squared will also be, or x will also be 1. At this side, it will be where x is minus 1. So for this part, we have x is an element of minus infinity, when you look at the graph, up to and including minus 1, so a square bracket. We have a square bracket because here we said it is greater or equals to, or including 1 up to infinity. Again, because we said greater or equal to. Now we look at the second part, which said we want to be smaller than or equal to minus 3. Now if you look at the x squared graph, you can see that minus 3 is going to be somewhere here at the bottom. Okay, so all of the values of x squared are going to be above minus 3, which means for the second part, there's no solution. So we only have this one. So in the end, when you look at the multiple choice options, it is equal to option D.